Do you know when money will be automatically deducted from your bank account without you even opening the app? Many people use AutoPay but don't know the exact deduction date, and that can lead to surprises or even failed payments. Let's understand this in the simplest way. Today, many people use AutoPay for subscriptions and bill payments, things like mobile recharge, OTT subscriptions, or electricity bills. But one important thing most people ignore is the next AutoPay date. So today let's understand how to check your next AutoPay date step by step. First, let's understand AutoPay. AutoPay means a payment that happens automatically on a fixed date without you doing anything every time. For example, Netflix subscription, mobile recharge, and electricity bill. Once AutoPay is enabled, money is automatically deducted from your bank account. Why you should check AutoPay date? Now the important question is, why should you check the next AutoPay date? There are few simple reasons. First, to make sure you have enough balance. Second, to avoid failed payments. Third, to avoid unexpected deductions. And fourth, to decide if you want to continue or cancel the subscription. So checking this date is very important. Now where can you check the AutoPay date? You can check the AutoPay date inside your payment apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, and Paytm. The steps are almost the same in all apps. Now we will see the step-by-step process of how to check the next AutoPay date. Step 1. Open your payment app. For example, open Google Pay. Step 2. Go to the section called AutoPay or subscriptions or sometimes mandates. This section shows all your active automatic payments. Step 3. Select the subscription you want to check. For example, Netflix or mobile recharge. Step 4. Now you will see the details. Focus on three important things: next payment date, amount, and frequency. This tells you exactly what will happen next. Let's take a simple real life example. Imagine you have a Netflix subscription. The amount is 499 rupees. The payment type is AutoPay. The next payment date is 25th of every month. Now if today is 20th, you clearly know 499 rupees will be deducted on the 25th. So you can keep enough balance before that. Important things to check. Whenever you open AutoPay details, always check these three things. Next payment date, when money will be deducted. Amount, how much will be deducted. Status, whether it is active or past. This helps you to stay in control. Now, what if you don't want the payment? It is simple. You can cancel the AutoPay before the next date, or you can pause it if that option is available. This prevents unwanted deduction. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.